ठीक है. Now I'm going to take the question of multiple integrals. Okay, there's one of the example. And I will start the polar coordinates tomorrow. पोलर कोऑर्डिनेट्स में भी मैंने आपको बताना है. वैसे तो थोड़ा सा हम कर्व ट्रेसिंग में उसका इंट्रोडक्शन देते हैं, ठीक है, बट आई विल स्टार्ट दैट टुमारो. एंड नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज sketch the region of integration. And evaluate this double integral xy dx dy over the region R, ठीक है, where R is the region inside the square. Inside the square, ठीक है, mod x plus mod y is equal to 1 and hence evaluate. evaluate तो आई गया इसमें. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले हमने इसका रीजन ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन ड्रॉ करना है. एंड यू कैन सी वन मोर थिंग दैट दिस इज double integral, no limits are given here. Even if it is not written that sketch the region of integration, so this is quite understood only that after sketching the region of integration we will be able to write the limits only then. ठीक है, तो हम इसमें रीजन ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन में दिस इज वाई एक्सिस, एक्स एक्सिस. Right now, first of all, I will take the possible values. Because the values are, mod x can take values plus minus x, mod y can take value plus minus y. So we will have all the combinations. So what are those? Both positive, right? Y negative, x negative, y positive. Okay, both negative. Right, so these are the 4 options out of this one equation. 4 combinations हो गए हमारे पास. ठीक है, so I will now write the points. ठीक है, when y is 0, when x is 0, y will be 1. When y is 0, ठीक है, then x will be 1. So it is the point here. Now see here, when x is 0, the value of y will be minus 1, and when y is 0, the value of x is 1. Okay, these are the 2 points on the second line. Third line, when x is 0, the value of y will be 1, and when y is 0, the value of x is minus 1. And similarly here. Okay, this is when I will write this in the, I need this space for drawing the square. Okay, so this is minus x minus y is equal to 1. So for this, when x is 0, y is minus 1, and when y is 0, x is minus 1. So I will plot all the points here. You can see that all these combinations are just 0 1 0 minus 1. So you can see this is minus 1 0, this point, right? And this point, sorry, this point is 1 0 1 comma 0, and here I will have minus 1 comma 0. This point is 0 x 0 y 1, and this point is x 0 y minus 1. And you can see that all these points are this much only. ठीक है, either x is 0 or y is 0, and the other value is either +1 or -1. So all these 4 values, and you will see now the square. Let us see. Because the first line is 0, 1, 1, 0, joining these 2 points, 0, 1 and 1, 0. Okay. Second line is 0, -1 and 1, 0. This 1, 0 and 0, -1. Okay. This is second line. Third line is 0, 1, 0, 1 means this one, and -1, 0. So this point. This point, and the last one is, of course, this 0, -1. Okay, 0, -1 and -1, 0. So this point, and you can see that it is a square. Okay, and I will mark the lines also. The first line was this one, x plus y is equal to 1. Second line was x minus y is equal to 1. Right, and the third line is this minus x plus y is equal to 1. And the fourth line is minus x minus y is equal to 1. ठीक है, तो अब हम इसमें strip लेंगे so as to cover this region. So strip, when we move this strip along this region of the square, ठीक है, तो क्या होगा, स्ट्रिप जैसे ही इसने इस लाइन को क्रॉस करना है, मींस ओरिजिन से क्रॉस किया, तो स्ट्रिप की जो लोअर लिमिट और अपर लिमिट है, सो दैट विल चेंज. हियर दिस क्वेश्चन इज दैट वी कैन नॉट अवॉइड splitting this integral into 2 parts. So there is the need of splitting the integral into 2 parts. So you can see that the lower limit of the strip is at line, I will mark these points. Okay, this is A, B, C and D. So you can see that in triangle BCD, okay, in triangle BCD, the upper edge of the strip is at line BC, lower edge is at CD. Similarly, as soon as it crosses line BD, ठीक है, upper edge इसका कहाँ पे आ गया, AB पे, और lower edge इसका AD पे. ठीक है, therefore the given integral I becomes, I will draw these integrals. Integrand क्या है हमारा, xy, and I will take dy first, dy dx. ठीक है, मैंने बताया था ये ऑर्डर इमैटेरियल है until and unless we write these limits. But once we write the limits, then this order is fixed. Right, and now you will write this integral into 2 splitted integrals, xy dy dx. ठीक है, the first integral limits I will give for the triangle BCD. जब BCD पे दिया, देखो इसका लोअर एज कहाँ पे है स्ट्रिप का, CD पे. CD पे y की वैल्यू कितनी आ रही है, I will bring y on other side. ये देखो -x minus y is equal to 1. So y going on other side, it is -x minus 1 is equal to y. ठीक है, so the lower limit is -x minus 1. Upper limit will be 1 plus x. ठीक है, we started placing strip at x equals to -1. Right, and we stopped it at x equals to 0. Okay, same way it is started from x equals to 0 to x equals to 1, and the lower edge of the strip is at this line. Okay, so this line is x minus 1 and the upper edge is at line AB. ठीक है, तो इसकी वैल्यू कितनी की, y is equal to 1 minus x. ठीक है बेटा, वैसे अगर इसको आप देखोगे तो देखिए इसमें -to plus limits. So you can see that if you check the inner integral limits, so the limits are, if I write it like this, देखो -1 to 0, it is up to 1 plus x, -1 plus x, right, dy dx plus this is 0 to 1. Right, upper limit is 1 minus x and lower limit can be written as -1 minus x. So this is xy dy dx. Right, so you can see that these are the symmetric limits, and we know this result. It is from -a to +a, fx dx. This is equal to twice the integral 0 to a fx dx if fx is even, right? And this is 0 for fx odd function. ठीक है, तो अगर ये रिजल्ट आप इसमें यूज करते हैं, सो नाउ यू चेक, देखो दिस द लिमिट्स आर सिमेट्रिक and you can see that here this is function of y and this is odd function of y. So according to this result, this integral is going to be 0, this one, okay, and this one here. In both the cases the integrand is odd function, it is odd function of y. This is also odd function of y. So this is 0 dx and from 0 to 1 it is 0 dx. It's equal to 0. Okay, so if you will check in some of the books, the answer is not given to be 0. The answer comes out to be something non-zero. Okay, and what they are doing 4 times the integral in first quadrant. Okay, but we cannot do this thing because it is not always the area under the curve. It area under the curve नहीं है इसमें, ठीक है, because you can see that this is the line x plus y is equal to 1. तो ये लाइन के नीचे की इक्वेशन इसमें, या लाइन की इक्वेशन नहीं यहाँ पे दी हुई कि हम इसको एरिया अंडर द कर्व बोले, ठीक है. I'll in the end of the chapter when we will see all the techniques of finding this multiple integral, ठीक है, then it will be easy for you to locate that what type of integral tells us the area or the volume, or by line integral, by double integral, or by triple integral. Okay, so you have to do this question by this method, so you will not do it as per book. And after that, as I have told you, that I will start the topic of polar coordinates later. So first of all, I'll go to the third exercise, which is changing order of integration. Right, it is changing order of integration. ठीक है, तो जब आपने ऑर्डर चेंज करना है इसमें, सो हाउ इट विल बी डन, देखो चेंजिंग ऑर्डर मीन्स दैट इज दिस इज एफ एक्स वाई डी एक्स टी वाई टू एफ एक्स वाई डी वाई डी एक्स, ठीक है, द अप्रोप्रिएट लिमिट्स, वट एवर आर द लिमिट्स, द अप्रोप्रिएट लिमिट्स. सो when we, or vice versa, okay, if we change the order like this, so you have to do it accordingly. We can see one thing we have already done also, that the integral fxy dy dx when y varies from c to d and x varies from a to b, okay, this is same as the limits a to b and c to d of fxy dx dy, okay, when the limits are constants. ठीक है, अगर इसको आप लिखोगे कि जब लिमिट इसमें कांस्टेंट होती है, व्हेन द लिमिट्स आर वेरिएबल, लिमिट्स कौन सी, इनर लिमिट्स आर वेरिएबल, then we cannot perform the above step. ठीक है, तो इसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे, when the limits are variable, so we have the 3 steps which we can do for changing the order of integration. ठीक है, so working method में आप क्या करोगे, that is To change the order of integration, first of all, draw the region of integration. Region of integration, as we have done in some questions also, previous question also. Okay, the second one is change the orientation of the strip. Orientation का मतलब कि अगर vertical है तो horizontal, and if it is horizontal then change it to vertical. ठीक है, and vice versa. And the third one is write the new limits. New limits with changed order of integration. ठीक है, तो इसके लिए हम क्वेश्चन लेंगे सीधा. For example, if we have the question, change the order of integration and hence evaluate the integral. Which is the integral? It is 0 to a and y to a. X dx dy upon x square plus y square. And hence evaluate this. ठीक है, तो इसमें इसका ऑर्डर चेंज करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल राइट द लिमिट्स. ठीक है, द लिमिट्स आर, क्या है लिमिट्स? देखो, x वेरिंग फ्रॉम y to a, so I will write it in the proper manner that x varying from y to x equals to a, and the limits of y are y varying from 0 to y varying to a. Okay, for this we will see that this is region of integration. Okay, x is equal to y. X equals to y is this line. We know this is identity function. X is equal to y or y is equal to x, so it doesn't matter. ठीक है, तो x is equal to a. X is equal to a is the line parallel to y axis, right? तो यहाँ पे of course कौन सा पॉइंट आ गया? a, a. अब इसमें हम क्या करेंगे? And now you will check. देखो, x varying from y, x varying from this identity line to x is equal to a up to this line. It means the strip is like this. ठीक है, then y varying from 0 to a. Y is varying from 0 to y is equal to a. मतलब ये दोनों लिमिट्स आ गई कि हमने स्ट्रिप को यहाँ रखना शुरू किया और यहाँ पे खत्म किया इसको. ठीक है, तो इसके लिए अब क्या करेंगे? सेकेंड स्टेप अब क्या है? ये हमने रीजन ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन हमने इसमें ड्रॉ कर लिया. This one is the region of integration. The whole, this triangle OAB. OAB is the region of integration. ठीक है, अब हम क्या करेंगे? सेकेंड स्टेप is changing the order of integration, changing the orientation of the strip. So now making the strip vertical, and now write the new limits. The new limits are देखो, पहले हम स्ट्रिप पे मूव करेंगे. ठीक है, स्ट्रिप पे हमने यहां से चलना शुरू किया, यहां तक गए. द न्यू लिमिट्स आर, और ये OA की हमारी इक्वेशन क्या है? इट इज y इक्वल्स टू 0 to y is equal to x, and where we started placing the strip, x equals to 0 up to which point? X equals to a, right? So therefore the integral becomes ठीक है, क्या बना इसमें इंटीग्रल, I इज इक्वल टू हमारा इंटेग्रेंट था यहाँ पे x अपॉन x square plus y square. Now it will be dy dx. Earlier it was dx dy. ठीक है, तो अब लिमिट्स इसके क्या है, जो इनर लिमिट्स हैं these are from 0 to x, outer limits are from 0 to a. Inner limits are from 0 to x, outer limits are from 0 to a. ठीक है, तो ये हमारा इंटेग्रेंट बन गया. अब हम इसको सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, नाउ वी विल सॉल्व दिस. बेटा एक बार ना हमारा माइंड क्या सजेस्ट करता है, देखो यहाँ पे इंटेग्रल लिखा है हमने x upon x square plus y square, it was dx dy, and what were the limits given? These were y to a, 0 to a, y to a, then 0 to a. So if we don't do it by drawing the diagram, so what does the mind suggest? That the limit should be from 0 to a and from x to a, x upon x square plus y square dy dx. ठीक है, कुछ बच्चे तो इसको भी चेंज कर देंगे, x की जगह y आ गए, क्योंकि सब जगह हमने चेंज किया है. यहाँ dx की जगह dy, dy की जगह dx. So here we are changing, instead of this y we are taking x. ठीक है, and here also instead of x we will take y. So this is the wrong substitution for changing the order of integration. Right, so this is, now we will just solve 0 to a. X is being treated as constant. ठीक है, तो हमारे पास क्या बचा इसमें, इट इज x into 1 by x tan inverse y by x. ठीक है, लिमिट फ्रॉम 0 to x dx. राइट, सो दिस x is cancelled. 0 to a.
मैम
हाँ जी,
इसके लिमिट रिपीट कर दो.
मैं कराती हूँ, अभी करा रही हूँ. 0 to x dx. ठीक है, दिस इज, नाउ यू पुट द लिमिट्स 0 to a. Here I am putting the limit of y tan inverse x upon x minus tan inverse 0. ठीक है, dx. So this becomes tan inverse 1. It is 0 to a. Tan inverse 1 will be what? Pi by 4 minus 0. ठीक है, dx. And now pi by 4 will come outside. And this is integral 0 to a 1 dx. And pi by 4 x 0 to a. So pi by 4 a minus 0. This is pi a by 4 is the answer for the integral. Okay, now let us see these limits again. बेटे देखो लिमिट्स हमने कैसे लिए हैं, इसको अब देखिए, यहाँ पे देखिए एक बार दोबारा से. So how you have taken the limits? देखो, the step 1 is write the limits and draw the region of integration. So for the limits we had x varying from y to a. Okay, we will write it as it is. We will write the integrand first. Okay, integrand was y to a, the integrand dx dy. Okay, and 0 to a. So this was the integrand. So सबसे पहले हमने लिमिट्स को लिखना है. x is equal to, देखो x की लिमिट है ना, लोअर लिमिट क्या है, x is equal to y to x equals to a. Then outer limit stands for y. So y is varying from 0 to y is equal to a. ठीक है, this is simple. If you will draw all these 4 curves, वो भी एक बड़ा easy method है. ये 4 curves हो गई हैं. क्या है हमारे पास, this is a line of identity function. ठीक है, this is line parallel to y axis. This is line parallel to x axis. This is also line parallel to x axis. This is x axis itself. ठीक है, चारों लाइंस अब ड्रॉ करिए. देखो ये लाइन हमने ड्रॉ की, x is equal to y. This line is x equals to a. ठीक है, and then y is equal to 0, y equals to a. तो आपका अगर ये चारों लाइंस आप ड्रॉ करें तो इसका जो बाउंडिंग रीजन है वो कौन सा है, ये वाला, ठीक है. सो दिस इज रीजन ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन. एंड द सेकंड स्टेप इज, बट आई विल ड्रॉ दिस डॉटेड लाइन, ठीक है, अदरवाइज इट विल गिव यू द लीजन that it is the whole square is the region of integration. So here you can check the limit is what, it is x equals to y, x equals to y from this line to this line, right? So this is the strip which has come to us by the given integral, okay. And then y equals to 0, we started placing strip here, we stopped placing the strip here. Okay, then second step is we will change the orientation of the strip. It was horizontal first, we have made it vertical. Okay, vertical में अब strip की आप limits लो. Strip is varying from this line to this line. ठीक है, this line and this line you write the values. This line is x-axis, means y is equal to 0, and this line is y is equal to x. ठीक है, तो this is y is equal to x